We are at the Hickam Skate Hangar. Justin and Victor. Whoa, Victor! And this part of it, they've made like an empty swimming pool. I wish I had the swimming pool in my backyard actually. And they have tons and tons of different ramps and things. Good job, Victor. Look at you. And Justin does the paddle on his tummy. You're both scaring the crap out of me.